Hello everyone, here's a quick video on how to integrate the tracking script for your Fervora program on a Shopify website. So again, if you were creating an influencer program here on Fervora, you need to put this single line script that you get in step 3 of your brand onboarding process, this little script line right here, into your Shopify site and have it be on every page. Now, the first step, of course, is to copy this. So we definitely want to copy this script right here, and this is what we're going to be dropping in to help track any referrals from the influencers or ambassadors that you have sending you traffic. Now, I'm going to head over to my Shopify page right here. You're going to see that this is the admin panel, and the first place that we want to drop this code is down here where it says online store. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to bring me to the themes option up here, and then I'm simply going to click this little triple dot icon right here and hit the option that says edit HTML or CSS. And when I do that, it allows me to edit the actual code for a number of different items in the theme that I'm using to style my site. But the one that we want is under here where it says layout. So I'm going to go down here to where it says theme.liquid and click on that. And here it gives me the ability to edit code in the head section of my website. And this is where we want to drop in the Fervora script. In fact, you'll see right here, of course, I'm scrolling a little bit too fast. You'll see right here that the Fervora script I've placed right in here in its entirety, right before this head section is closed out. So the first area to drop in your Fervora script is right here in this file, right before it says close head section right here. So that's where you're going to want to drop it in. You'll hit save up here in the top right if you are making the change, and then that'll be saved. Now the second area that you want to put this in is right down here. You come down to where it says settings, click on that, and then you're going to want to click the checkout option right here. Okay. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see order processing. This section is going to give you an area in which you can put additional tracking scripts for your store. And you'll see here that the Fervora script, I've already placed it right in here, kind of up at the top. Now, this gets a little bit trickier, and I'm going to give you the place to reference this code. What happens is when you're integrating the Fervora script on your Shopify account, you want to have what's called a first-time accessed code in there, meaning that when somebody hits their order status page, the Fervora script only fires the first time that order status page is visited. This basically means if you have a goal set up that tracks and rewards ambassadors for referrals, that only the first time that somebody actually makes a purchase and checks their order status, that's the only time it actually rewards the ambassador for that particular referral that resulted in a purchase. So to get this code, and like I said, I'm going to link out to this here in the video details below. There is this page on the Shopify Help Center, and you'll see this little script bit down here. This if first time access, put your tracking code in here. Otherwise, run scripts every time. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is essentially just drop this code in to this area in additional scripts. And what you want to do is have this say, if this is the first time this page has been accessed and you only want scripts to fire one time, which we do, we want the Fervora tracer script to fire only the first time, you put that in here. Else, or otherwise, any other tracking scripts that you want to fire every time, you just drop in right here. In this case, this person has a Google retargeting script here. So it's pretty simple. You just put your Fervora script in, you put this little script right here first into this section, and then you drop in your Fervora tracking script right after the area where it says if first time accessed, and then hit save. And that should allow you to be able to validate your tracking and make it so you can move forward on your onboarding process with Fervora. Now, I'm going to have another video here in just a moment about setting up goals with your sales confirmation and thank you URL with Shopify. And it's very important that that's done right. So keep an eye out for that if you haven't set up your goals already. And I do hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for your time. Good luck.